Hey guys, welcome to T.A.G, and today we're going to do an unboxing video of a headphone from SteelSeries called the Arctis 5. Now in the Arctis lineup, there are three headphones, the Arctis 3, the Arctis 5, and the Arctis 7. So this definitely falls in the mid-level among the three. But when it comes to pricing, maybe not so much. It is a $100 headphone, but that is for you to decide whether, it competes with the top tier ones, or is it a mid-level tier headphone. Now on the side of the box there are a few specifications and stuff that are included or you're gonna get when you buy this headphone. This includes the main headset cable, the USB chat mix dial, the 3.5mm adapter, and the connection setup. Over here it says that over here you can use your headphone with Windows, Mac, PlayStation, and smartphone. So when it comes to compatibility, yeah, it's pretty much universal. Other than that, the headphone specifications, frequency responses, 20,000 hertz. It has 32 ohms, and it has a sensitivity of 98 dBSPL. The microphone frequency is from 100 to 10,000 hertz. Yeah. And the microphone is bidirectional and has noise canceling. Okay. Now, other than that, in front of the box, let me do that. Okay. The front of the box, it says Clearcast mic, prism illumination, and game chat balance. So I guess from my understanding, what that means is that Clearcast mic is probably it's some sort of software algorithm that kind of gives you the ability for you to sound clear. It has prism illumination, so RGB in my sense, and game chat balance. So again, another software algorithm that probably balances the game. Balances the sound of the game that you're playing and the microphone that you're using. So, other than that, it also has a 7.1 surround system. So, well, sound. I don't know much about that. We are going to do a review after I use it for a week or two, and then I'm going to do another review, in-depth review of what it actually feels like and how good is it. Anyway, let's head on with the unboxing. So over here you have a sticker. Alright. Oh, it's easy. Now, there is a reason of why I personally chose to buy this headphone, and I will let you know a bit later. We'll move this box. Now, when you open the box, you get another box. And they have their gaming thing going on. You can read it if you want. I'm not going to, but you can pause it and read it, and then you can, when you're done, you can press play again. Anyway, moving on. Oh, by the way, this is somehow from Dota, so Dota players, rejoice. Anyway, so in the side, you remove this box, and then you get the headphone itself. Wait, let me see if there's anything inside. Oh. Got a warranty card, something of some sort. We'll put into that. And wait, what's this? Well, you got Jack under here. That's funny. That's very funny. Okay. Jack's favorite food. Sorry. So this is the headphone itself. As you can see, it can swivel. So that's great if you are packing it and going somewhere. Unfortunately, they have not given any pouch or bag. I would have loved that. Anyway, and other than that, you have all the cables. You have the 2.5 millimeter adapter. You have the this is the connector cable, and finally you have the chat mix. All right, let me move that. There's nothing else other than silica gel. Put that. So basically, this is it. This is it. Now, one of the reasons of why I actually bought this headphone is because a couple of its unique features. Um, One of them is that it has this sharing audio feature, and it's just a very niche feature, and I don't know if everybody loves it. I'm guessing 99% of the population really don't care, but I kind of fall into that 1% population, and the reason why I love it because there have been times in the past where people actually wanted to listen to what I was listening to. And at that time, I actually had to share one of my earbud to the other person. So until today, it is kind of like that. So because of that, this sharing audio feature is really great for me. I really would love to have it. I would like to test it out on this headphone, and it's something that I really care about because, especially when you're traveling with a person or friend, and you guys want to listen to the same thing. You made a mixtape and you want to listen to it. It's kind of nice that if the other person has a headphone, you just plug it in and you guys can listen to it. You don't have to share one headphone. So I think it's a great thing. So that's one of the biggest reason. Other than that, I think look-wise, the headphone looks very simple, and it is portable. It looks comfy, and it is universally accessible. So you can use it on your console, PC. You can use it on your smartphone. So that's great. That's something for me that I also like because if it's just a desktop, that's great. But sometimes I like to listen to music on my smartphone. So in that case, I can use this as well. And because of the retractable mic over here, we're going to do another in-depth review after a week after I use it. It's you can take it out. You can use it outside. It kind of looks weird if you have a mic that's hanging and you're walking out and just listening to music. It's kind of weird. So those kind of headphones are not really meant for you to go outside. But in this one, it can be different. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching this video. If you guys like it, please subscribe and press like. If you guys have any questions, write those questions in the comments down below, and yeah, I'll come with another review, the in-depth review of what was like to use this headphone in the near future. Thank you for watching. Bye.